how to hide your following list on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can hide your following list on Instagram. So for this process, you will have to open your Instagram account. So after opening the Instagram account, you will have to click on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner of your screen and go for the three lines just at the top right corner of your screen. And here you will have to go for the option like account and privacy, like it is in the section who can see your content. So simply click on this account privacy, and here you get the option to make your account private. So simply you have to click on this private account and you have to turn it on. So again, it needs a confirmation to switch your profile to private. So simply click on this option. So simply cancel it, and hence we have make the account private. And let me check from another Instagram ID to see the followers of this ID. So simply I am logging out. So simply I am logging out and switching to another account. I have to go to that account, and this is that account I have done private. So like you can see, I can't see this account follows and following list. So likewise, you can also set your account to private to hide your followers and following list. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.